him. Answer, she want the chicken company. Call the shots for your driver. All of who spend them more money coming out. What they are talking about? Hold on. Listen in and come farm. Look at me, don't go for farm. And that's what the job, that the job. What is it?
Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock? Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, nah stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest report them?
Go on, you don't know Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man, and know things set. Yo, big up everybody, you know. Yeah, man, people. We're gonna talk about Massicka today. Yeah, man. Massicka, man. Them say what the next king? Chano. People. We're gonna pull up some set of show where them do a BRT. Same show. But we're gonna make people understand why things are the same. See? But people, watch a piece of clip here. Brother, this is the thing, people. Massicka in a game for about 13 years, you know, and it's like the man can't even vibes up the crowd. Like, when I feel away, like, you don't know if you command the crowd or no, brother. You just dip on the mic and move around and I sing. You know, talk to the people and say, yo, you understand? It's like, people, you know, make no sense. You see it. You can't have business for 13 years. And it's like you perform the same, you know, try to improve and you zoom, like, you make people them dead. And it's like, yo, I say, yo, you know, connect with the artist. You see it. What people, watch a clip here. This are the thing, people. I don't know, he must sing, but it's like, I don't know. I don't know. Nothing not there. The people them just not connect. You know, make the people them connect. Cause look there, them two girls that sit down at the front, people. You know, see the video. The girl I roll up a spliff. For go burn it right now. Imagine you up on a stage show, seeing, and you have a person where, you know, fan or what, somebody with music, and the girl even turn her back, people. She turn her back with her friend in front of her, and the man they right they start perform. Right, they say, you know, for show you how the man no connect to the people and the lameness of the performance. Like, look what the girl there. Nah, make no sense. It just make no sense. There's no way an artist up on the stage and a patron sit down on a soundbox and back turn a roll up a spliff. That's when you know, say, yo, you're lame. You really have to lame for your patron do that. You understand? But watch out. Watch it. The girl is like, yo, the girl she just feel annoyed, like, just say, yo, the way the girl not even interested for really, and it's like she just did it, she not even look upon the man. The man they right this and the girl sit down, not even look. People, you know how you have to be lame for that happen? I want them to realize. The man a perform on the stage and the girl they right in front of the man with her back turned. The girl not even look round. If you say, yo, Jano, artist there, so for sure, yo. The man just, I don't know, it's like, I don't know people, I don't know what to say. It's like, the man just, it's like him now try to command the crowd, like, make the people them feel your music on the stage, bro, while they are sing it. It's like, it's just not there. Brother, if you have performed the song and you say, yo, the crowd now really real up, brother, change the song, brother. Perform one different song. The moment you're dead and you see crowd now rock with the song and change it, brother. Try to do something, you're dead the same way. The girl them they right in front of you, I roll up a spliff, figure bun. It shows say, yo, brother, it's like, you just right there so I do nothing. You see me? And the man I sing is like, I'm not the same. I'm not the same. Brother, and this is the thing, people. This is why over the years, people don't really connect to Massacka like that. See? And it's like, them prep him up at Jamaica so much, till where you might see when him go a foreign, he might get some reaction. Cause this a BRT. See? And them say, yo, man, I run place and rate. But when him go overseas and I sing him song, them I wonder which place. You understand? And this is the thing. Massacka over the years sing a lot of collab songs where him split him catalog with other people. So him not really have nothing. Cause remember, for really build a catalog, you have to have a huge amount of solo songs, where hit and where people can connect to you. So people them connect to you, The people them can't connect to you over collab song. Because at the end of the day, you them are here fully. Especially when the artist even bigger than you. You understand? It's like, if it's like this. Zine, you as a Jamaican artist, and when you do a collab with Drake, like, you come like nobody on the track. You understand? You come like nobody on the track. And that's the problem over the years with him. You see it? Him now try to capitalize on certain things. And him love do this one bag of collab and collab and collab. Brother, when you go up on the stage, see? You remember, most of the time when you're working and you're alone. So when you go up on the stage now and a collab song, it's like, you don't know. And the collab them when do, like, over the past years, or some artists where they on a level than him on certain levels. Like, him the one with Cartel, Zane, Infrared, him the one with Dexter Dap, him the one with Joshy. So, in the hot moment, him always do like a little collab. And him the one with Shensi, a hit and run. Right now, Shensi can sing that song there all over the world. But him can't go over the world and sing the song, bro. Cause that never even look no good. You understand? So, the man now build upon him craft. Imagine, after 13 years, you think say, yo, people would wanna connect to the man. The people them just did they look on the man up this or so. And the man just sing and say, yo, what is this? And for a patron turn them back to you. And not even, yo, it's like, you call it. But it'll be like the patron about what? Say about 12 to 20 centimeter away from the girl we're sitting on the soundbox. See? And it shows say, yo, bro, you really not do nothing. Because somebody can't sit down and turn them back to you while you are performing so close, like 20 centimeter away. Eh? It show you, bro. It's like, yo, Jano, what people may go play a next clip and wanna realize what me I talk about. See? Yeah, man. Pre this, people. Pre this. People realize that song the way him always a sing, see? You realize yo, the people them just not connect. It just not connect. The same song and him a sing it, the same flow, everything. It just not connect people. You see it? And the way how him perform, him not let out the notes him up with yo, grab the people them and ray. The people them just dead there. I do them thing. It's like, it don't make no sense, bro. Don't make no sense. And him dip on the stage, him a laugh and wonder gigi. Jano, you know look good, brother. You can't in a business for 13 years and you still have a crowd them a stand up on you, bro. Bro, every time the man a perform that song, the crowd stand up on him. And him would have never try change the song for kind of change the energy of the party, bro. The man continue to sing it. Till people them they just give up. People them not even to. It's like you just hear him alone. You understand? No really nothing. You see me people up on the stage, I must say, I wonder. I see him thing, see him flow, see him like how him do him song them. I just see him flow and everything. You see me? Watch it. It's like, brother, you're performing news and you say, hold on. It's like, you think just lame dog. You man First of all, as dancer, the man not even move or jump or, you know, reel up the crowd. Like, do some jumping like over there. So you have to lively up the crowd, bro. You can't just, you're the one place I put foot pan, soundbox and certain things. Bro, that not going away, brother. It's like, bro, you have to dip on the stage and move round. Try to get the people them to move alive, brother. Say, yo, Ray, you just did it. You just a sing. Nothing the people them just lame. You not connect with the people them with your emotion, brother. You see me?
I don't want them one close in a rascal party. You see, I don't want them one close in that party. What on? I want to live seriously.
Watch it. You see what me I try to tell you? So the man perform the lamest song so long, and then now this a song, yeah, the man them not even 30 seconds. The man them cut the song already. Bro, them thing a broke people vibes to even listen to you, brother. It nah make no sense. You understand? If you are sing one song for about a minute and the crowd now move, you not get no energy. See, and then you put on the next song now, and the little people are sing, and then you cut it this, brother. You know, most it thing end up being lame, brother. You understand? And this are the thing where every day them get up, yo, must you got this, run the ground, These are the things where you're supposed to talk to the artist about. You know, now come out and tell the artist, say, yo, you need to do your thing. Like, look how much your performance go on. People not even pull it up. When MASICKA performance put on YouTube, I less set of views them, brother. Because nothing is there for you even watch. You understand?
Turn it up to the engineer. What on? They say I don't want money in their pocket all over and they won't close in that party tonight. Turn it up and make it bounce to the engineer. Don't mix. Run us up. One more. Time for that live seriously. Come out, Gucci mountain. People up on the big and mountain. Sorry that this man doesn't come out of that.
So that are the thing. A man not even try to make the people them know the song. You understand? It just try know, brother. Yo, I tell you already, you know. I don't think no MASICKA have no far and go from after this, you know, because if you win at the game for 13 years and you can't stamp yourself the real way, brother, I don't know how much years you have left, brother. You understand? You're supposed to cement your thing and try for it. You see me? Because right now, a big endorsement you just get, but you not create nothing for yourself, brother. You understand? You drop some hot songs, and when you move on, you have to go get one next hot song. You don't have nothing where set impact in the game, brother. You understand? Yeah. Brother, and that are the thing, the people them just do their talk, and the people them on the stage not even rock. It's like they might do them own thing. You see me? You know why the crowd even react with MASICKA? Because MASICKA not reacting with the crowd. MASICKA, they on the stage. The man now move like something a go on. The man just dead like some stushers. Put foot pan soundbox, just dead. Like, you that things that the man in a studio. This time I tell you, the man really has some studio artist. You know when they're in a studio, people, and it's like you have you on the microphone and you're talking on the mic and you're singing in the one place, and that the man I do. That's why the crowd not even react. Brother, when they're on stage and perform, you have to make people them say, yeah, perform, yeah, move round. You say, yo, people, yeah, jump and, you understand, make the people them real. Cause remember, when you jump and everything and I sing a song, you know, yo, you have to wake up the people them, brother. You there, the people them asleep on your performance, dog. Cause you perform like, say, in a studio. You understand? Yeah, you're a good artist, you say you put out some good song, but you're not perform like you have good song, brother. You still a perform like you're in the studio. It's like you spend too much time in a studio, brother. You need to do some rehearsal class. You understand? Yeah, you need some rehearsal class with performance, bro. Or go some performance school, brother. The Giants, them in a game. When them man they on stage, them a jump on a ray. Bro, the man just, how him perform, him just walk on. Stop. Sing song. Studio, brother. You know, brother. You know wake up the people, them dog. You in a game too long, dog. You understand? I'm not bashing thing, but this is the reason why you not stamp yourself the real way in the game yet, brother. Where people don't even want to pull up your interview. You understand? Cause more shows I go on shows here, I never see somebody I say, yo, pre that video where MASICKA do in performance. Nothing no there, brother. No energy none there. You understand? That are the thing. That are the thing, people. The man nah try do nothing. You see me? Him not try do not. The man just, to me, the man just lazy, people. Masicka just lazy. I'm gonna tell you why I'm lazy. The man like him more engaged in a collabs and them like something there, brother. That the man do, bro. With him album them, like with other people. Plus, when him for perform, him lazy, bro. You see me? Him lazy. If you see him perform, the man lazy, bro. The man, you can't be a man in the game and them say, oh, you're a giant. But when you go up on the stage, you look like a little, like a some baby, some pitney thing, brother. You see me? Like, yeah, drop. All of you, they when him lyric. Look at you when him lyric. All him do better than you, bro. You understand? Everything. Look at the man performance, him, brother. It's like the man just walk like some stushers. Him nah move. Energy, you have to work with energy, bro. Make people them see your energy, brother. You just walk on. You nah do nothing. Nothing you nah do. Wake up the people them, bro. You understand? Do something like what Tamile do. Like, bro, a dancehall thing, you have to move around, you have to, and I like say you're elder, brother, you're young. You see me? But people may go pull up one next piece of clip, make you see what I go on, you know. These are the recent BRT where him do. The other two was BRT, but like couple months and years ago, you see me? But me I pull up one and make you realize what I go on, you see? People don't realize the man nah move, him stand up one place. Look on the crowd. Bro, I wanna dead this crowd this may ever see, brother. Dead this crowd this. You have to have one day for 9 night. You not even say 9 night, cause 9 night more lively than this, bro. This come like some funeral service. You understand? Yeah, man. Look how the crowd dead. Watch your people. The crowd dead. Everybody dead. You understand? The crowd dead, people. Watch it. Like, yo, Jano, this is shameful. May I tell you people. The man, you saw how long the man did this, so people, the man stand up on one box, you know. One box. The man stand up on, you know. And the man now move, you know, bro. You understand? The studio, me tell you about the studio artist business. When them in a studio, them just stand up one place, a record, and a sing. And that him a do. The man lay him on the stage. Brother, you're there on the stage, you're supposed to move around, jump, do some vibes, you kind of wake up the crowd, make like the song. Brother, you stand up one place all long up. Jano. And then now, when the people do them thing, Zane, when the people do them thing and you wonder what really are going on. All people stand up on the man so. You say, yo, Jano. Nah, make no sense. Him are the problem. And the people, you know, him. Remember, you know, you have to control the people, control the crowd, bro. You have to move lively. You can't just step on the stage. And him have a thing. When him sing him song, brrr, like, bro, you should have cut the song a long time. If you see the crowd dead, you change the song to something else. You understand? You can't keep the crowd dead, stand still all long and I sing the same song and the people them not real. Change the song and get back a catch in a moment. You see it?
Have you ever wanted?
Yeah, man. But I saw the thing said people, him nah move the thing away where you could have said, yo, deal with it. You see me? But look where man, look what I go on. People, this is a song, you know. This is my first hit song, you know. Gas them up. But look on the crowd. Remember, you know, people, him say I test the crowd, you know. Remember, you know, the crowd dead for how long, you know. Him say I test the crowd. Bro, you go back at the same spot where you did there. Same spot. Yo, Jado, I tell you the right thing. Masicka, me don't know. Yo, me hear them make some talking, you know, bro, but me not see at that spot there, brother. Me I tell you, you need some more training, dog.
Any Jamaicans in the crowd? Anybody from Trinidad in the crowd? Anybody from Guyana in the crowd? Me and you. They say, I hold us them up, come up, we say,
watch it. The crowd's still dead. The crowd's still dead. Yo, John, what me I tell you to reality. The crowd now move on the man. Brother, you have your vibes, brother. You can't dip on the stage and stand up one place. All of the people them know you, brother. Them know Jamaican artists we bring vibes. Bro, you have to move around on the stage. You can't stand up one place, brother. Move around. Jump. Make the people them react and see you move, bro. But it's like, you want the people them see you stand up, so you just stand up, see you make, because you not do nothing. Brother, you see it? You see what man try to talk about people? The man I sing the song, sing the crowd. The crowd still now move. Bro, change the song, brother. I saw you have to do it. Change the song. Change it to one song where you know say alright, the people them are go ready. Nothing no did, brother. The crowd stand up still. And for your artists, what they want push up for and with you, brother. It don't make no sense. You understand? It don't make no sense. You're supposed to cut out of this studio business, bro. And perform. Yo, let me tell you people, MASICKA, me see, as one of the top man them will say, yo, the man perform a laziness, brother. The man just lazy, dog. Man lazy. You understand? All him do are just yip yap. But him nah move around on the stage like say, yo, the thing current. Yo, let me tell you, you see, if I'm an artist and I say crowd turn up on me, so brother, I tell you, you not go say, me not continue perform like this, brother. I tell you, I do something for vibes up the crowd. Do something. Do one little dance or something, brother. The man not do nothing. Remember when the man drop Tyrant, people, and the man call on the dancer them on the stage, Seeing? I remember say start off with Willie Bunks. Seeing? Brother, the man not even could have Willie Bunks. If make it thing look good on the stage. Bro, you need to go watch some old time video, brother, and try to interact. Do some dancing, something, brother. To make the people give you the vibes. Bro, you're lame, brother. You're lame. You see me? Anybody look on this and I say, yo, loud them or whatsoever, you no care about MASICKA, brother. I tell you no. You no care about MASICKA. You see it? You no care. Yo, Jano. Yo, me I tell you, me with shame. With shame, me I tell you. Me I tell you, with shame. Me I tell you people. And this is the thing, You can't say you're the man, bro, and you're dead, brother, and like people are stand up on you like this, brother. And I saw you thing work, dog. You're supposed to master your craft and try to command the crowd, bro. You can't the one place for so many minutes and now move. And that's how you thing work, brother, if you want to command the crowd. The man there say, oh, long. Imagine the man there on one soundbox, oh, long people, and you just the one place, dog. I no studio this, I no studio this, bro. You can't in a game for about 13 years and you one day if you just boss. Too many people that art, MASICKA look like one artist with just boss. Where them just a try find out. To me, this a man, I know this a man of them I say you a lucky place. No, sir. I can't this a man at a This a man come like him and him not boss yet. To the crowd that move is like him not boss yet to me. And I'm related to show this. You see me? Where day before him start do him go do wireless, but this are the show when really book for. But it's like the crowd just stand up and the man like you that thing say MASICKA not boss yet. Alright people, this are the thing now. You see why I tell you about the collab? It's why I tell you about the collab song them what I do. And worse, I do it some giant in the game. Look how different it gonna be. And I just choose Vice Cartel depend on the rhythm. You understand? That are the problem. You see what I try to tell people? You hear the people a while ago? You saw the man I perform all long with theme song them and the crowd dead. And it's when him bring in the Vice Cartel thing now, the crowd real. Show you say yo brother. The bag of collab thing and certain little thing. Brother, I'm tell you this. Collab alright, I'm not say a man not do collab, But you see when you structure your thing too much pan collaboration, these are the things happen when you go up on stage and perform them. Nobody not too real with your song. Them are real with the song them what you do with the giant them. And people who, you see me, have more little leverage over you. That are the thing, people. You're not set no solid foundation because you have too much. It's like you split your catalog with other people. But the your little song them is like because you alone, you're not really pushing no weight. But when you do it with the collab with the bigger giant now, them promote for them thing, promote for them side. So comes you get a little push right there, so. You understand? But I saw things setting up people. I don't know how long this man are gonna perform like this, you know. You see me? And they see them a try push him and everything, but them a performance where man a do and the crowd still a stand up on the man and them a get the biggest highlight right now in a dancehall. You see me? Cartel them and Bounty them again the highlight, but it's like I don't know, the crowd still a stand up on the man. You understand? So I don't know what to say, but as I say, the man a just a studio artist. See, the way him perform, him not even perform that a just studio. That a just studio work him a do. Him just stand up one place. The man now vibes up the crowd. You can't dip on the stage and you're there one place and you not move. And you expect the crowd to move. No, you have to dance or do something make the crowd move with you. Make the place vibe, make the stage vibes. Brother, you know, if you gone 13 years in your career, bro, and you still now try to master certain things, I don't know how far you go, brother. You understand? Because when the strength them stop give, I don't know what you gonna do for yourself. But people they don't know media facts, you know, yeah man, and we see what go on and we have to just talk and make people know what go on. You see it? Yeah man. But they don't know. That is it.